Long ago, in a county not far away, a group of Hardin County residents gathered to create the Hardin County Agricultural Society with the purpose of showcasing agricultural achievements. Over 150 years later, you are entrusted with the future of the Hardin County Fair. What is your organization facing? Is it battling with the dark side? Filled with rogue ones? Are people mechanical robots who do as they are told? Stubborn princesses? Rebellious outsider? Or is it a council of Jedi Masters? Ohio State University Extension is prepared to help your organization create a strategic plan that will help you through the next several episodes. Leading you will be your local 4-H educator, Mark Light. In addition, several other specialists from Ohio State will be resources throughout the process. Why develop a strategic plan and how will it benefit you? With 21 directors leading the organization, this plan will create a clear strategy and commitment to follow through. Also, by gathering community input, you will have good volunteer and patron support of the fair. The strategic process takes time. The first steps will require commitment from those in the organization. All involved must commit to questioning the status quo, looking at new ways of doing things, asking hard questions, and be willing to make difficult choices. Our goal is to set you up for success. To do this, there must be commitment from the executive team. All board members should set aside time and resources to make this successful. This will be an inclusive process to ensure all voices are heard. Internal stakeholder engagement is key. It's not our job to give you the magic formula. The process will give us the product. There will be a need for a retreat and several follow-up meetings. You have the knowledge of the fair, and we will facilitate the process of gathering it. Mission, vision, and values are key to the direction of any organization. If you do not have these, we will create them together. If you do, we will revisit them. These core principles help to determine the organization's purpose, aspiration, and guiding concept. Once the initial baseline is created, we can move into the strategic analysis phase. This is the phase that will take the most work and will affect the organization's ability to achieve its mission. Subcommittee work will be a part of this process. The environmental scan is an important part of the strategic plan. It makes the plan unique to Hardin County, not just a cookie-cutter process for any fair. We will start big, but then focus on a few critical issues with the help of external clientele. Next, we use the theory of change to explore what the organization would look like if it shifted to address these key issues. It will hypothesize the programming portfolio that will be provided in the future and how you will accomplish your mission. When evaluating the program portfolio, a needs assessment can determine what programs are needed or will fit with the new mission. Are there opportunities that would bring new resources? Does it put the organization in a stronger position? This leads to a proposed business model. Will this all work? In this step, we will evaluate current income and expenses and lay out cost and revenue of new programs. Ultimately, we want programs with high mission impact or high profitability or both. Organizational capacity is often overlooked in a strategic plan. Looking at the human capital, organizational culture, financial resources, facilities, external marketing, and evaluation are all needed to ensure whether the plan will be successful. Leadership support of the strategic plan is necessary. If the leader does not believe in the plan, why should others? Good leadership models the way, inspires a shared vision, challenges, encourages, and enables others to act. Setting your course is the final phase of the strategic plan. Here is where we help you create the draft plan and make sure your team is on board. This is the last chance for sharing concerns. Better now before it is released to the public. OSU Extension will help you complete your strategic plan, which will include an introduction, executive summary, your mission statement, historical context, core strategies, program plans, business model, organizational capacity, and leadership development. Do not put the plan on a shelf. The next step is to release the plan to the public and move forward. Be sure to stay on target and stick with the plan. Every year, it will be necessary to review the plan for new and returning board members. OSU Extension has the resources of an entire university available to help with the Hardin County Agricultural Society to develop a strategic plan. While we can't travel at light speed, we are prepared to journey with you over the next 12 months. Because Extension also has agricultural roots, we believe we are a good partner to help the fair be successful in the future. By this time next year, we will be able to celebrate our success and implement the plan. Thank you for your time, and I will be happy to answer any questions about the strategic plan process.